Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. How you doing? Sorry the volume is not as bright as it can be, but me enjoying seeing this beautiful face. So today is Saturday, right? Yes, today is Saturday and I'm just walking, kind of using one stone to kill two birds. I have somewhere I'm going to. I wanted to enter a keke napep, but keke napep that we used to pay 200 naira before said I should bring 400 naira. No sir, I will not do that. So, oh boy, instead of me to pay extra 200 naira, check out my legs. Those are the cheapest keke napep you can never afford. So this is me getting my walk in routine. The road is a little quiet, but this lighting is so good. I'm just feeling myself like, why are you so fine? I'll see you guys later. I got the modes. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm so tired. Like, okay, so the story goes that I was having a hard time and I needed a little pick me up. I was just, feeling blues. And talking about this now, I just want to let you guys know the power of positivity. When you free your mind and your space from negativity, you attract good things. And I don't mean that lightly. So I was feeling a little low. And there's a guy I listened to on Instagram. He gave a lot of talks on how to purify your energy, and send out negativity and all that. So I did meditations and just trying to, because I'm nothing but light and bright and happy and nothing can hold me down for so long. So a friend called me and when he heard that I was feeling low and all that, decided to just take me around, take me out. And so I went out. They were just giving me things left, right, and center. Like, first of all, I got a malt and water. I went somewhere else, I got a malt. I was like, okay, today's my day. And then, guys, look at this.
Mom, what do you want to the market?
Hi, princess. Show the girl, yeah, I'm doing a video. Guys, look at, just took me for shopping and got me this.
Mommy, do you want to the market?
This. Yes, we can call it this. And guess what? After buying, the store owner dashed me this. Like, it was mind-blowing because I don't get dashed anything. I'm the one that gives and gives, and I never get anything in return. So, like, I'm so happy, guys. So, I'll see you guys later, okay?
Mommy, are you my friend?
Yeah. Guys, look at this. This is just gorgeous.
What?
And this, like, gorgeous.
What?
And this, like, gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much, like,
What?
this is so beautiful. Thank you.
What?